I am Goutham, founder of Klynk. At Klynk, our mission is to bring cooking to full autonomy. So, Semi is your cooking GPS. So, just like we have your car's GPS telling you take left, take right, there's traffic ahead of you, take a detour. Similar to that, we have built a cooking navigator, so which kind of tells you what to add, when to add, how much to add, and what temperature should you keep it at and for how long. And let's say, instead of not just telling the temperature, but also automatically controls the temperature. It also has a built-in weighing scale which tells you how much to add, and let's say when do you have to stop. So this is our entire guided cooking range. So we have a single cooktop solution as well as a multi-cooktop solution to kind of allow you to also do more cooking sessions at the same time. So here the difference, and also we have one major difference is we have a full 7-inch display here and we have a 2.4-inch display here. So here you can also have, let's say, more feedback on your cooking process. Let's say here, for example, if a step say something like let's saute until golden brown. You can also look at the picture here to understand what is golden brown means. And let's say after that, so we also have our automatic cooking range. This is our fully automatic series. We call it Riku, short for rice and curry. It's an automatic rice and curry maker which can cook any one-pot dish in fully automatic mode. So when I say one-pot dish, it's your carrot fry, potato fry, cabbage fry. Anything that you can really cook in one pot, you can do in fully automatic mode. So it kind of gives you a load and walk away experience. You can just load everything on top, press a button and just walk away. It will notify you once everything is done. So we are here at Techsparks 2024 on 26th, 27th and 28th of September at Taj Yashwantpur. We are having live cooking sessions. Come check us out to see how we are making cooking stress-free and effortless, as well as saving you time so that you can do what you truly love.